Hi everyone, this is Michael from webhostingcat.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can better protect yourself using the internet with a VPN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and it's a great way to prevent others from snooping into your business and obtaining your location and personal information when you're online. A VPN is sort of like a security tunnel or blanket as you utilize a public or shared network. It allows you to keep your location and personal information private, and the data that is sent from your device to the VPN server is encrypted to protect against hackers. Another benefit of using a VPN is that it's very easy to set up and use. Once you download the VPN software, you just need to open and activate the app when connecting to the internet. So why should you be using a VPN? If you're someone that frequently uses public unsecured Wi-Fi networks, whether it's at your favorite coffee house or some other location, you really should be using a VPN. Also, if you want to protect your anonymity while you're browsing the web, then a VPN is what you need. And a VPN is also a great solution if you need to access streaming services such as YouTube or Netflix from other countries. So let's go through an example of using a VPN. For this demo, I'll be using Hotspot Shield's VPN, which is the one I use myself. First, you need to download the VPN software to your computer. So we'll click the Get Hotspot Shield button. And I'm using a Mac computer here, so we'll go to the App Store and we'll get and install the app here. So now, when you want to browse the web using your VPN, you just need to launch the software, and it doesn't take long to connect here. Okay, so now we're connected to our VPN, and as you can see here, we're currently browsing from a United States location. But we can click here, and you can select from a list of other countries as your location. So let's switch to the UK. And now we're connected and browsing from the United Kingdom. Just to show you here, let's launch Chrome and do a Google search. So if you scroll to the bottom here, you can see our location is specified as UK, England. Now another great thing about using a VPN like Hotspot Shield is that you can access it on multiple devices. So you can run it on your iPhone, a Mac, Android, Windows, and Chrome. Another benefit of using a VPN is the relatively low cost. For example, as you can see here, with Hotspot Shield, your cost can be as low as only a few dollars per month. I've included a link below in the video description if you want to check out more information on Hotspot Shield. So remember, if privacy is important to you while you're on the web, consider using a VPN. As always, thanks so much for watching and take care.